pre-flight. This is the plane. Oh, there's already headset inside.
Yeah. So the first thing I do, turn on the master switch.
Okay.
And I lower the flaps through this control here.
Okay, and it has the degree. Ah, yes,
Yeah.
it has the degree.
And then I turn off the master switch.
Oh, so the flaps, you don't need to retract it back yet.
No, I put them down so that I can
Inspect the...
inspect. Yes.
Okay.
First thing I check is to make sure the static port is clear.
Okay.
I generally start on this side of the airplane and walk around.
Okay.
Here's the pitot tube.
Yeah.
I make sure the pitot tube is clear.
Okay.
Okay. Here's the stall vent. I make sure the stall vent is clear.
Okay.
Here's the fuel vent.
Fuel
And make
vent.
sure the fuel vent is clear.
Okay.
As the fuel drains out of the tanks, you need to replace it with air.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what the fuel...
Leading edge of the wing. Okay. I look for any damage.
Okay.
Nav light,
Right.
strobe light,
Okay. Strobe light.
flashes white light.
Oh, okay.
You've seen those
okay.
on airplanes at night?
Yes, yes.
So it's a strobe light.
Okay. So there's a separate switch for strobe light, right?
Yes.
Okay.
This is the aileron.
Right.
I make sure the counterweight is here. I check the hinge. I make sure all the fasteners are in place and that the
Okay.
hinge pin is in place.
Hinge pin is are the screws, right?
No, the hinge pin is this pin right here. See, it goes through the entire hinge. It holds,
Oh, okay,
it holds
okay.
the two hinges together.
Right, right. This
Yeah.
this is the hinge
Yeah,
pin.
right there.
Okay.
It holds them together. So if I pull the
Okay.
pin out, the hinge comes apart.
Right. Okay. Okay.
This is the push rod.
Okay.
Okay, I make sure that's tight.
Okay.
Another hinge here. Okay.
So four screws and a hinge pin.
Yeah.
Oh, but this one I don't see the hinge pin.
It's there. You see, you look there. You
Oh,
see it.
okay, okay. It's a smaller one.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
I check operation, make sure it moves smoothly.
Okay.
Okay. Flaps. I check the rollers, make sure they're on the track.
Okay.
Here and here.
Okay. So two rollers.
Yeah. I check the actuator, make sure it's tight.
Okay. What's the actuator for?
It pushes the flap out.
Oh, okay.
These are called Fowler flaps. Notice they go out and down.
Okay.
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 I take a fuel sample. Okay.
Okay.
There's a wing tank here and on the other side.
Right.
I check the fuel to see if there's any water in it. If there's any water, you'd see a bubble. I also check the color. This is 100 octane fuel, which is dyed blue. So it has
Okay.
a blue tinge to it.
Okay. 100 octane. Okay. So it's not the 100 low lead, right?
Well, it is 100 low lead, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's 100 low
But
lead.
the octane rating is 100.
Okay. Okay.
Check the main tire for inflation.
Okay.
Make sure there's tread. I check the brake.
But how do you check the inflation?
I look at it.
Oh, okay.
I check the brake. Look for any leaking fluid.
Okay, no leaking fluid. Okay. But what about the fuel that you just drained? What do you do with it?
I'll put it back into the tank.
Ah, okay, okay.
Check the backside.
Okay.
This is what's called semi-monocoque construction. So the skin is a structural element. So I look for any damage of the skin. If the skin has any wrinkles, cracks, creases, the skin is not
Not in good condition.
in
to
good
fly.
condition. The plane is not flyable.
Okay.
Okay. Now, this is made out of plastic. and this is for drag reduction. Okay? This
Okay.
is not a structural element.
Okay.
Okay? Neither is this. So if this was cracked, that's acceptable.
Okay.
But if this is cracked,
This is not acceptable.
yeah, any metallic object cannot be cracked.
Correct. Okay.
Plastics are okay, they're just for drag reduction.
Okay.
Elevator, I check for smoothness of operation.
Okay.
I check the hinge points. There's one there. See the bolt? Wherever there's a bolt, there should be a nut
Right.
here. Okay.
Okay.
I check the underside, make sure there's no damage. Check the counterweight over there.
Counterweight is this one, right?
Go forward. Right
This one.
there. Yeah, that's
Oh,
the
okay.
counterweight.
This. Okay. Okay.
While I'm here, I check the rudder cables here.
Okay.
I check the lower elevator cable here.
Okay. Elevator cable.
Yes.
Okay.
Lower elevator cable.
Okay.
Let me lower this down.
Okay. Sorry.
Upper elevator cable.
Oh, upper elevator cable. Okay. Okay.
If I had tie downs, this would be the tail tie down. I would remove the
Okay.
tie down.
Okay. Oh, but they haven't tied it down because they just came back and we're gonna
Yeah.
use it, right?
Rudder. Okay. Flashing
Okay.
beacon.
Okay.
There.
And behind is the strobe light.
Navigation light.
Oh, navigation light.
Strobe lights are on the wingtips.
Okay. Okay.
Trim
Same
tab,
for this.
actuator, bolt, nut.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sure.
This is a tail skid. If you over rotate the airplane, you hit that without damaging the bottom of the airplane.
Oh, okay. Okay. It's a smart design.
Check the fasteners, the hinge points here
And
and here.
one bolt, one nut, right?
Correct.
Okay. Counterweight. Okay.
Flat.
No creases.
Do the same thing on the right side.
Okay.
Check the rollers.
Check the rollers. Okay. Oh, okay, rollers. This one. Okay. Then this is
Actuator
the
rod.
Actuator rod. Okay. Rollers again. Then aileron. Check for counterweight and
Counterweight is over here.
oh right, counterweight is on this side.
Yep.
Okay. Then the hinges and the hinge pin.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Check for
Looks
freedom of
like
movement.
freedom of movement. Okay. Looks good. Then the
Strobe light,
strobe light,
nav light,
navigation light.
leading edge.
Leading edge. This is metal, right?
Yes.
Metal. Okay, so there shouldn't be any creases.
Correct.
Okay.
Remove any chocks. So when we go to taxi, we can taxi.
Okay.
This is the wing tied in.
Oh, wing tie down. Okay. Both sides.
Yes. Check the tire, check the brake.
The brake is not leaking fluid and that's fine, right?
Yeah. And you look to see the brake pads
disc
in there.
brake.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the brake pad?
Right inside here. It's hard to see.
Right. Which one would be the brake pad?
Right in there. That dark object right there.
Oh, okay. Okay. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Take another fuel sample. Here. Okay.
Okay. No bubbles, no water. But how do you point back in?
Hey Sam. Not much. What do you want to do cross country? When does your 90-day expire?
90 days, and then we gotta ride again then, right?
Well, I need to sign you off again, but
Yeah.
I need to. But
That's fine.
you need to. You need to. You need.
fly
You need. No, I don't. You need to keep track of it
Right.
of when it expired.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, I was kind of focusing on my written right now, but
Let me get it, Rob. When are you gonna take the written?
well, when does that expire?
2 years.
Oh, well then maybe I should get that cross country then. All right, I'll schedule you so we can go again soon.
Well, if you're confident, you can go by yourself.
All right,
It's
I'll think about that. We'll talk about that. All right.
okay. Let me get it right. I'll be right back.
Okay, sure. Oh, sure.